Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Tom Yum noodle soup. First, gather all your fresh ingredients like lemongrass, galangal, and kaffir lime leaves. Next, prepare a flavorful broth by simmering these aromatics. Then, cook your chosen noodles and proteins separately to ensure perfect texture. Finally, combine everything in a bowl for a delicious and easy meal that's ready in about 30 minutes. To create the heart of your soup, start by boiling about 4 cups of water. Add sliced lemongrass, galangal, and a few kaffir lime leaves. These aromatics are essential for that signature Tom Yum taste. Stir in 2 tablespoons of Tom Yum chili paste and 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. While your broth simmers, prepare your noodles and protein. Cook about 8 ounces of your preferred noodles, such as rice vermicelli, following the package instructions until al dente. For protein, quickly blanch about 6 ounces of shrimp or thinly sliced chicken in a separate pot of boiling water until just cooked through. This ensures they remain tender. Drain the noodles thoroughly and set them aside. Now for the best part, assembly. Divide the cooked noodles evenly among 2 large serving bowls. Arrange your cooked protein, such as shrimp or chicken, and a handful of sliced mushrooms over the noodles. Carefully ladle the hot, aromatic Tom Yum broth over all the ingredients. Finish with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro, a few slices of green onion, and a wedge of lime for a bright, zesty finish. Enjoy your homemade Tom Yum noodle soup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.